Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the summer quest. This is the music path. So there's actually only two outcomes if you go to the music one or the fog. So if you go to the music one, make sure after this you click on the treasure instead of keep investigating, or else you'll go to the mystery and foggy island, which you can just do in the beginning when you follow the mist or the music. So make sure after this you select the chess one. But basically you'll need to fill the party meter here. As you can see, I'm just dancing on the shells. It's the same one as the one we have on the lobby. Once you're done with this, it's going to spawn, I guess, different shells. I mean, not different shells. It's going to spawn the shell all over the dance floor, and you'll just need to dance for exactly 1 minute. It's just to have a dance party. And then after the dance party, I'll show you how you can serve the drinks. To serve the drinks, you are just going to basically tap on the coconut and see what it needs. Grab the glass first on the side and then press the juicer, select the correct drink, and just give it to the person. If you want to serve more than 2 people, I suggest getting the tray so that you can carry it to the places where they aren't in the juice bar. You'll need to get, the smoothie bar. You'll need to give them 10 smoothies. It's not timed, thankfully, but when they do place an order, that's when it's timed. It's not timed when you need 10 smoothies. Then after that, you are going to head back to the deck and you are going to select the treasure instead of the investigate, just keep sailing. So search for treasure. Then you're just going to do this obby. It's okay. It's not that hard because if you die, there's checkpoints. You don't have to go back to the beginning. So here's just a speed run of me doing it. It does get pretty difficult. But once you've reached the end, you're going to either select harp or ocarina. Why am I saying okra and orca? That's 3 different things, okay? So select either harp or ocarina, and the result doesn't really matter. So just whichever one you want. I did try both with harp and ocarina, and it gave me the same thing. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!